Hi everyone, my name is Deepthi. Welcome to my channel Learn English with Deepthi. Today we'll take a look at the verb send. So, for any verb, we have to know three tenses. The first is the present tense, which is the form of the verb that we use when something is happening now. So for send, it is the S-E-N-D that ends with the D. The past tense and past participle of send is sent, which ends in the letter T. So today we will take a look at how to figure out whether to use the present tense form or the past or past participle form of send in any of the sentences that we have to use. So let's take a look at some examples to explain the tenses. I am sending the package. This is happening right now. So we use the present tense of the verb, the one that ends with the D. I am sending the package. What happens if is going to happen later in the future? I will send the package. In that case also we use the present tense of the verb because this has not happened yet. So we use the present tense. So what happens when we already send this? I send the package. So this event has already happened. It's complete. It's over and done. So in that case, we are using the past tense. I sent, the one with the T. I sent the package. Let's take a look at a past participle example. I have sent the package. That is also the one with the T because the past tense and past participle are the same for sent. So I have sent with the T, sent the package. So now I'll give you a few tips and tricks to figure out the correct form of the verb to use, and then we will discuss some more examples. So the first tip I will tell you is, if you're not sure whether the send D form or T form goes there, why don't you try to take off the send from that sentence and put instead another word. I like to use mail because mail has a similar meaning to send and it's easier. Mail, the past tense and past participle of mail is mailed. So I like to do that. So let's try a couple of examples with mail. So the first example is, please send the money. So what form do you think goes there? Is it the present tense or the past tense? What goes there? Please send the money. So if I'm not sure, I will just take out the send and I'll put mail in there. Please mailed the money. That is not correct. Please mailed. That doesn't work, right? That's wrong. So please mail the money. Please do it. So the present tense of the verb goes there. So now we know that the present tense goes there. So we put the send back in and then we use the present tense of send, which is the one that ends with a D. Right? I hope that makes sense. That helps. So let's take a look at another one. I already sent the money. So what would go there? Let's substitute mail. I already mail the package. That is not right. This has already happened, already done. So we use the past form, which is the sent with the T. So the second tip I will give you is, if the verb is ending with an ing or an s at the end of the verb, then it's always the present tense. We always use the present tense when there is an ing or an s ending. So for example, let's say her company is sending her to the US. What would it be? It's because it's ending with ing, you don't even have to think about it. It's always present tense. Past tense, you cannot have a continuous past tense. Past tense does not do that. Ing is always present tense. So send, ing, her company is sending her to the US. So another example is, she sends her father a birthday present every year. So in that sentence, there is an S at the end of send, right? So based on our second tip, if there is an S at the end, it is always the present tense. Let's take a look at another example. He wants to send his wife some flowers. So if you're not sure, we're going to put in male. He wants to, is it male or mailed? He wants to mailed. That doesn't sound right, right? When we say wants to, I want to do something. So we use present tense when we talk about something that we want to do. So he wants to mail. Mail comes there. So that means it's a present tense. So we put the D form of send there. He wants to send with a D flowers to his wife. The next example is, have you ever sent flowers to anyone? What form is it? So let's put mail in there. Have you ever mailed? That's not right. Have you ever mailed is right. So this question is asking if you have ever done something in the past, right? So that's why it's a past tense that we have to use there. This is not something that is currently happening. This is not something that happens in the future. This question is asking, have you ever done this action in the past? Think about it in memory. Have you ever done this? So the past tense, the past participle is really what we should use there. So which is the sent T. So have you ever sent with the T? Sent flowers to anyone. Let's look at one more example. The documents will be sent tomorrow. What will that be? Let's put mail in there. The documents will be mailed tomorrow. No. So that's not right. The documents will be mailed tomorrow. That is also the past participle. So when the past participle usually comes when there is a have or a be. Here we have a be. Will be. Will be. After will be, we use the past participle form. Will be done. Will be given. Will be eaten. Will be mailed. So here we use the past form of send, which is the one that ends with the T. Okay. I hope this video helped you understand when to use the D or the T form of send. If you found it helpful, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. This is my first video of my channel. I hope to regularly upload videos, and if you think your friends or family would find this video useful, please share it on your social media. Thank you for watching.